Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Digest. In our previous class, we have discussed about JRE, JVM, JDK, etc. Right? We have seen JRE is constituted by with JVM and some native libraries, right? And JDK is constituted by JRE and development tools. Right, I'd strongly recommend to go through my previous videos for the details of JVM, JRE, JDK and JIT just in time compiler. Okay. Now as a developer, to uh, we will install JDK in our system. As JDK is a package, Java Development Kit is a package, so we'll install JDK in our system. Right. Now, one point I forgot to mention in my previous video or previous class that Oracle has decommissioned JRE completely from Java 11. Okay, so there will be no JRE concept from Java 11. So they have included everything as a part of development tool. Now to download and install Java, we will go to Google simply. Let me open. Yep. So we'll go to Google, and in Google we'll search install Java. Okay, and there will be many options. We'll go to this Oracle website, downloads. Okay, so when I opened it, it was like this. Okay, so you can see here there is a version of JDK 21, JDK 17. These are the versions, but here we will install JDK 17 because JDK 17 is LTS means long term support. Okay, so JDK 17 is long term support version, so we will go for JDK 17. Okay, now I'll show how to install Java in Mac. As I do not have Windows machine right now, I won't be able to show the installation process of Windows basically, but I will demonstrate theoretically how to install Java in Windows also. Okay, now first to install Java or JDK 17 JDK in our system, if you are using Mac, then go to Java 17. As of now, JDK 17, and you can read all the certification and licensing things, right? Because this has some licensing licensing factors also after September 2024. So please go through these theories. Okay, now as per your Mac configuration, right, you can go and select the download link here, correct? So in my case it will be this DMG installer, right? I have downloaded it. In my downloads I can show you how the file looks like. So it is just simply just one click download. Okay, so JDK 17 Mac OS ARCH64 bin DMJ is the file extension basically. Okay, for Mac OS basically. So I have installed that JDK, that package, and I installed using double click. It's a pretty simple process, and just double click on this particular file, and it will be installed. Okay, now next thing is, after installation after installation, you have to type here, open a terminal. Okay, open a terminal and type here java space hyphen hyphen version. So if it is showing some value, that is in my case it is showing, if you see 17.0.9 2023 1017 LTS. If you see, this is a LTS means long time support. Okay, so it is better to use long time support versions because I mean it easily do not get decommissioned, basically nothing else. You can use any any version, but LTS will be preferable, right? So if your terminal is showing a Java version, then you have to understand that okay, your Java is installed properly, right? Your Java is installed properly. Now next thing is how to set up the Java path. Okay, now how to set up Java, why to set up Java? Because we set up Java path to tell the system that here, hey system, here I have installed Java, here all the libraries are there, so please use that location to execute your program. Okay, and use all the libraries available. That's it. Okay, from anywhere in my system I can execute any program. Okay, if my path is set, Java path. So I'll show you how to set up the path in Mac OS, right? So first thing, we have to find out what is the current shell we are using. So we can print it using echo dollar shell. Oh, sorry, double L. So if you see, it is bin ZSH. So we are using ZSH shell. Okay, now the next command is to return the JDK installed, right? Default JDK installed in this in this particular system. So what is that? It is a pretty straightforward path. Okay, user libexec slash java underscore home in small letter. Okay, so user libexec java home. Okay, if you put enter, then the default Java path will be shown. Okay, where it is right now: library, Java virtual machines, JDK 17, JDK contents, home. This is the Java path. Basically we have to set this path. Right now, to set this path, okay, so to find out how to find out, then if you have more than one Java version installed, JDK version installed in your system, it is also possible, right? If I am using Java 17 for this particular a particular application, I can use any other Java. Suppose I am using Java 17 for application A and Java 11, let's say, for application B, or Java 8 for some legacy applications, right? So for that, we have to have some different JDK versions in a single system. To find out what all Java versions are available in your system, so this is a command, basically usr. It's basically same command followed by hyphen capital V. So if you see, as I have only one Java available, so I am okay. Okay, only one Java available, so it is showing only one Java, right? Now where to now we are using which shell? We are using ZSH shell, right? If we are using ZSH shell, then we have to enter our Java path in here. env ZSH env. Oh, sorry. Sorry. ZSH env. Right? If you see here, this is the overall file. It opened a file, okay, using nano editor. I have opened that file and I have entered a command, okay, basically an export command, export then java home, okay, dollar, okay, within bracket the command we used in the terminal itself to get the versions or location of the java home. Okay, so this is the command. So automatically it will take the wherever your java is situated, automatically it will take and assign to java home. Okay, and after that you have to just close it. So how to close it? Just Control X, that's it. Okay, just save it and close it. Now what next? The next thing is you have to source the file. You have changed something in zshenv file. Now you have to source means you have to apply that changes. So sourc source, then again dot zshenv, right? That's it. Now if you do echo java home, sorry, $java home, then you'll probably get the java home path where your java home is basically situated. Correct? Now let's go to let's discuss how to install java on windows machine. So first thing, you have to again go to windows things, right? Same link, you have to go to windows tab, okay, and then from that tab you have to download this file, okay, exe file. Okay, you have to download this exe file. So after exe file, you have downloaded exe file, you just install that java exe file. It's just a double click and then click next. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, it's nothing to discuss. Basically it's just normal software and easiest software. Okay, so after installation the same process like we did in our terminal. So in windows you have to enter the command in command prompt, right? If we open, let me open that paintex. So what we have to do, we have in command prompt, suppose this is the command prompt. In command prompt, first command we have to put java version, Okay, Java version. Now next thing, we have to set the path, right? JDK path. So here you'll find the Java path, or where the Java has installed, under program files, right? Under program files, or rather, yeah, under program files only. That means C program files, uh, and then it should be Java, like that. Basically some Java, and then you will find some what I say, uh, some bin folder you will get, or that JDK folder you will get, right? JDK some 17 point something, 17.x. Then under, if you go to that JDK 17.x, then you will get one bin folder. So we need this bin folder location to set up the path. So what next? Now you have to you have to go to the start menu and type for what? In start menu, search for environment variable for your account. Okay, environment variable for your account. So in environment variable for your account, if you click on that option, particular option, you will get some window like this. Okay, so there will be one window with OK and cancel button. Here are some environment variables set. Here are other environment variables set up. Okay, so you have to go to the upper region, that is environment variable for your account. The lower part is environment variable for this whole system. The environment, we have to we are okay with environment variable for my account only. Okay, so here you have to, you will get one button here, create button, right? Or new button. Okay, new button. So click on new button. Okay, and you will get again another pop-up. Okay, like this. And here you will get something called name and value. Okay, here in this name, just put here Java home, just like in iOS. Okay, and here the location, this location basically. Okay, wherever your Java is installed, just put in this box, in this second box, and then click on OK. Right, now here you will get one path variable. Path variable. So just to double click on path variable and add one line instance, right? So what you will put that on that particular path instance or path variable, like this. There will be many variables already set. You just there will be one new line, or if you are not getting any new line, just click on new. Okay, and then you will get a new line inside path variable. Okay, so here you have to put %java home %, right, /bin, because we have to set the bin path. Now why we are setting the bin path? Because if you see, I have discussed about these development tools. What are the development tools? Compilers, right? Compilers and executors, right? So Java C, so compiler is basically Java C, Java. So all these files or all these libraries or all these things are situated inside the bin folder. Okay, so that is why we are specifying to the system or telling system that here you will get all the necessary libraries and the files to execute my Java code. So that is why we are setting up this we are setting up till bin folder. Okay, bin location inside JDK, right? So that is how we install and set up Java in our local system or in our system in Mac OS and Windows, right? Hope this video is beneficial to you. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Yep.